In this video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to effectively get rid of the scary alerts that are related to the site Mydatadefenciveguard.site. Mydatadefenciveguard.site is a truly malicious resource that attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. This website tries to mislead people and to really make them scared about the condition of their computers, in order to force them into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. Remember that these pop-ups are absolutely fake alerts, so you should not interact with them. They are not related to any decent security software. So if you see these pop-ups on your screen, simply disregard their deceptive messages. Such pop-ups may be the result of some adware on your computer, so I would recommend that you thoroughly research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the program, install the software, and then begin researching your computer with its help in order to effectively detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.